Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how easy it is to unblock people on Facebook. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments, and let's get started. So, we're going to need to go to Facebook, of course. And then when we get to the home page, we need to go to the menu. On my iPhone, the menu is in the bottom corner on the right-hand side. And on Android, the menu will be at the top on the right-hand side. So we click on the menu. Next, we find the gear. And after that, we flip until we find the Audience and Visibility section. Here it is, Audience and Visibility. And in there we need to find blocking. Now we click on blocking. And we see that we have users that are blocked on Facebook. And in order to remove those people from blocking, the only thing you have to do is to click Unblock next to the person. Then you confirm your action. And as you can see, the person is now unblocked. Let me show you again. We press Unblock. We confirm the action. And the person is no longer blocked on Facebook. That's how easy it is to unblock people on your Facebook page. I hope this video was useful for you. Put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.